we're known for our custom baths and showers in the Atlanta area. People are looking for someone who can be both willing to customize, but also create a product that's easy for them to take care of, that's going to last a while. And unfortunately, I think any of us could probably say that I run into a lot of customers that have had such negative experiences with contractors, in particular in the wet area of the bathroom, because it's such a sensitive area. And what they want is not some cookie cutter mold, some sort of cheap looking solution. They do want something nice. They want something custom and beautiful, but they want something that's also going to last and be dependable and be easy to take care of. We don't really have the time these days to spend hours in the shower with our toothbrush and bleach scrubbing grout down. Nobody does. But you don't want to sacrifice having a really beautiful bathroom for convenience, right? So we're able to offer both of those things with our service. Really what we're known for too is keeping the house clean throughout. So we're great at that. At the end of the day, there's not going to be tools lying all over the place that kids can step on. They're going to leave it nice and neat throughout the process. Once we start your job, we're going to stick with it until we finish it. So we don't bounce around from job to job. And that's a real relief for customers. And they're willing sometimes to wait for that experience because we do have a high demand for our services. Even customers who need, let's say, safety solutions, those are going to look different for every customer. Location of grab bars, things like that, which seem very minimal, are very important to our customers and their daily use of the shower. But also, we can create really unique designs as well, and we've done that for our customers and oftentimes interacted with them in creative ways where they have an idea, maybe they saw something on Pinterest, they bring it to me, and we kind of work together on creating something that gives them what they want in the bathroom, but then also provides them some features that they wouldn't have even known how to ask for. We can go in, create an original 3D model for a customer, and help a customer see what it is that can be done in their bathroom. That's really, really helpful. We need visuals. I need visuals myself. And so when I go into a home, not only am I going to measure and take pictures, but I'm also going to work up an original 3D model. I'm going to create a design board for the customer, like something they would find on Pinterest, so that they can see everything that's going to be in their project, because it's more than just a service. It's something that's going to be a part of their lives for years to come. One thing that you'd find online if you look at 5-Star Bath Marietta is you're going to see a lot of comments about our technicians in particular. They're friendly, dependable, they're very skilled, because they work for us on a daily basis. We don't just use random subcontractors. So when they go in the home, they really manage that production part of the process from step one till the project is complete, and they'll give the customer a walkthrough at the end. What I think where we stand out is we're really great at tailoring every situation to the customer's needs.